Welcome to Elimlands Lifestyle Kitchen.
I will give thanks unto thee, give thanks to thee, O Lord. Give thanks to thee, O Lord, among the people. And I will sing unto thee, O Lord, among the nations, O Lord.
A cutting-edge nutrition hub dedicated to your healing journey. We serve wholesome and delicious plant-based meals, where every meal is a statement. We offer hands-on cooking classes and provide practical guidance to help you make a smooth and sustainable transition to a healthier lifestyle. Every dish is prepared with care, using natural ingredients that support your body's recovery, just as God intended.